Oh my god, I feel so tall. Get who shot? I'm not standing next to nobody else. Okay. Okay. Goodbye, we need to do this. Hello my beautiful fantastic subscribers, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how I use natural herbs to steam my meat, to cook my meat, to cook my beef. I've done this before, or if you do something similar to this, please comment down below so I can follow your steps. If you think I'm not doing it right, please let me know so I can do that. Do you like my hair? Do you like this hair drop? I know only a Fabian and mom. So let me start with a few of the herbs that I use. This is actually fresh parsley. This is my number one all-time favorite herbs. I use this for frying egg. I wash it carefully and dice it and fry eggs. Do you know why it's my favorite? Let me tell you why. Because it supports your bone health. So if you know me personally, you know why. It supports your bone health. It contains cancer-fighting substance. Pause for a moment. It supports cancer-fighting substance. It's rich in nutrients that protect your eyes, promotes your health, your heart. It promotes your heart. Firstly, extract from natural protein, easy to add to your diet. Some people add this in their water, in their tea, not just to steam it. So now you know why. Second on the list is string onions. String onions. If you know what string onions contain, let me know. I would like to know. You know I don't know everything, but then I know a few things of string onions. So string onions, green onions, this actually contains vitamin K, vitamin C, and is a very good source of vitamin A. Spring onions can be added to any dish, mostly found, I know the Chinese people use this a lot for Chinese rice, and we also Nigerians use it a lot for Nigerian fried rice. So third on the list is fresh thyme. Fresh thyme is packed with a lot of vitamin C, fiber, iron, copper. It's a very good source of copper, iron, fiber, and it's good for your health. You can use this to make Nigerian stew. You can use it to make fried rice. You can use this by itself to steam your meat or whatever. But this is my fresh herbs that I use in steaming my meat. So now you've been seeing the different benefits of why I use fresh herbs. As I'm telling you the different benefits, you begin to think like, wow, why haven't I been using this since? I should have tried this a long time ago. But now that you know, it's good for you to start using them. Because once you start using them, you will feel them in your energy, in your vibe, in your breath, in your sweat, in your skin. You begin to feel them, and you don't only just use skin improvement lotion and skin improvement sauces for your skin. You try using herbs. Try cleaning inside your body before you go outside. So third on the list will be oregano. Fresh oregano leaf. You can find this in your grocery store. You can find this on Walmart too. You can actually plant it and it will grow. That is the good thing. If you live in like a tropical zone where we live in, where we have sunshine and rainfall, of course you will have this grow. Oregano leaf is great for antibacterial agent. It has infection such as staphylococcus, what's the other one, STDs. It helps and it prevents any cell damage in the body. Whenever you have any damage in the body, in your cells, oregano helps to rebuild, and it helps to prevent any damage before it happens. So now you see another reason why I like it. It's good. It helps with vitamin K. It boosts your vitamin K, your iron, vitamin E, and your calcium, and a lot more benefits. So that's what I'm saying. If you know me physically, you will know why I like these herbs, because once I mention them to you and the benefit, you'll be like, oh, now I see why this girl likes these benefits. And it's high time I start taking natural products that I make. That's like, you don't even want to know the half of it, trust me. So next on the list will be, it's actually fresh sage. I know you've seen people burn sage in their houses for good aura, sage in their houses for good vibe, meditation, but this is actually the fresh sage. You can plant it in your garden, it will grow. You can buy it from the store. Sage actually helps to promote oral health. It helps to ease symptoms of your period, menstrual cramps. It helps that. It helps to reduce your blood sugar. Let me repeat the second one I just said. It helps to ease your menstrual cramps. Hey, are you a lady? Are you a lady? If you're a lady, you will know what menstrual cramps is and why you need sage in your diet, or helping you need to steam your meat, because a lot of these meats you buy, a lot of this beef, these cows are being treated with different hormones, and you still want to cook them well, so you get benefits. The full benefits are more. You don't want to cook them with all this calm stuffs and powders, and you're losing more nutrients than gaining more. So sage helps with that. Sage actually helps with a good number of other items, like it supports your memory loss, your brain health. It protects you against certain cancer cells or certain cancer traits. So this is what I use when I want to steam my meat. So right now we have sage, fresh thyme, or green onions if you say, and parsley. So the next thing I'm gonna do right now is to wash them very well and very clean, and then I add my olive oil to preserve it. If I have to store it for like 2 weeks, I usually add my olive oil to preserve it. So I'm going to show you guys how I do it. I'm going to wash them clean, blend them, and then show you guys how I preserve them. Okay, let's go from here. Parsley, thyme, oregano, taking out the stem so I don't have too much stem in it. You can see this. Yes, it's not too hard to take it off. It's just easy. It's so easy to take out. You can blend it with it if you want, but I really don't feel doing all of that right now. Some days when I'm not feeling it, I blend it with it. Some days when I am, I don't. And then for my string onions, what I usually do is I just line like this, cut it off, take off the dead skin, and that's all I do. I do to all of them. Just cut off the edge. Okay, take off the dead. You know, you feel like it's dead, it's weak. Take it off and you put it right in water. See, this is very good for cooking them. And Nigerian fried rice. So this is so good for cooking Nigerian fried rice. So good. Picking up the third part is like my ultimate goal right now. And so I want my mixture to be fresh. Yep. That's it. It's not now. Please put it directly to the sink. I wash it once, twice. Take out the real bits, whatever salad was. But before I showed you guys, I already have it washed and dried. So right now I'm just going to wash it one time. Let's put it like that. I missed this one. Oh, like this. And whoop. Into the blender, into the blender, into the blender. And I put in 1 cup of water. Oh, yep. I only eat fruits and vegetables, so I know you're seeing some apples and oranges, but yeah, we eat fruits and vegetables and we eat meat too. So here it is. Oh, let me tell you guys a secret. I know you didn't see onions and you didn't see pepper and you didn't see me put no salt. So you're gonna be like, oh, why didn't you put that? Well, I usually put that when I'm ready to actually steam my meat. If you put onions in these, onions caramelize so fast that by the time you want to use it, you won't like this sauce anymore. If you have to put it in your fridge, it lasts up to 14 days or more in your fridge. If you put it in your freezer, it lasts longer because it stays green in the freezer. But in the fridge, it turns brown after, I think after 7 days it begins to turn brown a little bit, and you think it's bad. It's not bad because it's fresh, so it stays longer. So this is how I blend it. I just put everything and blend it this way, and then how I preserve it. That's the big deal for me to show it to you so you see it. A quarter cup of virgin olive oil and sunflower oil. It's a blend of two. So I take this. It's a quarter. A quarter goes for 1 full blender. That's what I use for 1 full blender. So I put a little bit. Make sure it's clean. All that. A little bit here. That's why I'm going to be storing it. Then I put another one right here. That's it. And I use the small cans in case I'm cooking like a smaller pot of meat, so I don't have to go dig this out of the freezer. I just pop in one of these. It will be in cubes by then. I just pop in one of these cubes and I use it. Okay, and you must make sure you have the covers. So a little bit there. That's it. So go and I know you're gonna be like, oh, she knows the accurate measurement. Because I do this all the time, I know the accurate measurement. So I'm not just doing it for you guys or for video or anything. This is what I do all the time, all year round. So if I'm making like a huge pot of oxtail, I just pop this out and use it. You see how the oil is? It settles at the bottom. You can see the oil, right? It settles at the bottom. So if I'm making a huge pot of oxtail, goat meat, cow meat, beef, I pop this full can like that. But if I'm making like a little bit of, let's say a quick beef or goat or whatever, I use one of these smaller ones. So it's easy and it's safer for your health. Trust me, you don't need any of those things you shake. I still use those sometimes. I used to use that a lot, but then I stopped because I found more benefits in this. So this is how I store my stuff. I put them in the, I put these big ones in the freezer because they're very big, and I put the smaller ones in the fridge, so it's faster for me. Next, by Saturday, Sunday, or another 2-3 days, this is done, and I bring out this. By the time this is defrost for me to use, the oil comes up. So don't bother about you put it in the bottom and you didn't put it on top. The oil comes up and it preserves it a lot. Make sure it's in the fridge or in the freezer. If you don't want to store them, you want to do them right before you cook, that's fine. Me, I don't have the time to prep all of this before I cook. I just like to go and cover my pot and I'm done. So what you see on the video when I'm cooking real fast, that's how I cook in real life, really fast. I don't like all this prep, pound this, pepper, pound this. No, I'm good. So here's it. I hope this helped you prepare your delicious meats, your delicious whatever animal you want to prepare. Hope this helps, and you can actually use this to steam vegetables. Okay, thank you so much for watching.